Would you turn down an offer from 3 dragons? Because that's exactly what we got on CBC's Dragon's Den. 3 dragons all fighting to partner with GoNano. And we said yes to one of Canada's most successful entrepreneurs. Why were they so eager to invest? Because GoNano is changing how Canadians protect their roofs. And today, we're making you an offer. If your roof qualifies, we'll give you up to 15 extra years of roof life, a 15-year transferable warranty, protection against hail, snow, rain, freeze-thaw cycles, and more, 80% less granule loss, and $750,000 plus in independent lab testing to prove it works. All of that for 85% less than replacing your entire roof. And this is done in under 1 hour. No tear off, no mess, just science. So, would you turn down that offer? Didn't think so. Click below to book your free inspection with a GoNano certified contractor, and let's see if your roof qualifies. Whether it's rain, hail, or snow, GoNano.